Hello again. We have made our way to Redondo Beach after escaping the 61 air quality index of San Gabriel Valley due to the exude of hellfires that bedevil our Southern California mountains. It's like 9 in the morning. I just replaced the main sheet with a new Dacron blah 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 blah, and now I am going to the bathroom. Confucius say, in times of pee pee poo poo, aim leeward. Today I'm going to be part of a crew that's racing. It's going to be fun. I'm kind of nervous. I'm nervous too because these freaking dorks take it real serious. Yeah, I'm nervous, but I'm excited. And nervous and excitement are the same feelings. Just when you get older, nerves attach to the excitement feeling inside you and take it over. But it's the same feeling as when you're younger and going to Disneyland. You're excited, it's hard to breathe. Think of all the possibilities. Coincidentally, the night before, while reading Herman Melville's Moby Dick, I found a chapter that illustrates exactly what I'm going through and what I need to hear. I paraphrase. When I go to sea, I go as a simple sailor. What of it, if some old hunk of a sea captain orders me to get a broom and sweep down the decks? However they may thump and punch me about, I have the satisfaction of knowing that it is all right, that everybody else, in one way or other, served in much the same way, either in a physical or metaphysical point of view, that is. And so the universal thump is passed around. All hands should rub each other's shoulder blades and be content. I always go to sea as a sailor. So I didn't message the captain that I was gonna be here. I just planned on working on El Poquito and then going over there at 10:30 and seeing what the deal is. But there was already too many guys. I think they have to have 4 or 5 people only. So no race today, but tomorrow I'll be helping out with the yacht club I'm part of. And I will be maybe doing a little sailing tomorrow on the lake. So yeah, that's the deal. Confucius say, always send a confirmation text.